So about 2 weeks ago I decided I want a salad exactly like this one, but unfortunately my fridge was completely empty and I decided rather than go buy salad at the grocery store, I'd take the easy way out and just grow one from scratch. Here you can see I'm seeding some microgreens onto some flats of cocoa coir. Microgreens I picked were purple radish, red kale, mustard green and pea shoots. After seeding all the trays, I stacked them up to let them germinate over the next couple of days. Here you can see I'm taking the mustard greens out of blackout, and underneath these trays I still have the red kale germinating. It takes a bit longer to germinate, especially being winter right now. Here I'm letting the red kale breathe, finally happy with how much of it has germinated, and the mustard greens have already started to green up. Here you can see I'm bringing some of the trays outside to get a little bit more sunlight than they do in the garage, and this is sort of where my filming dropped off a lot. From this point I sort of lost track filming the process. And as you can see, we jumped straight away to harvesting of the purple radish here. You can also see the mustard green on the left of the screen there as I taste these little bits of radish. That's about the length the mustard green was when I harvested it. And here's 3 trays of pea shoots and 1 tray of red kale. And these are basically ready to go. You see 1 tray of pea shoots already harvested. Adding the purple radish here now makes this basically the final product. I'm going to make this into a nice little tuna and salad wrap. A little bit of balsamic glaze on top goes lovely with microgreens. And was it worth the wait? I think it was. Looks like I approve here.